get your cape on, and let's take flight. We can be who we like. Get your cape on. Now's the time. Save the world from crime. Get your cape on. We're DC superhero girls.
See? Told you a little smoothie would make you less moody.
You're right, Harley. I mean, as long as my anti-hall monitor app isn't hurting anyone, what's the big deal?
Run! Run!
Function, avoid demerits. Solution, eternal confinement.
Hello? Anyone here? Seriously? What is going on? Hello? Anybody? Wonder Woman! Batgirl! Anybody? It's like everyone just disappeared.
Ah! I'm too cute to get blasted!
Harley, stop! We're safe!
Oh, hey, gang! I told you not to make the anti-hall monitor, but did you listen? No!
Ugh.
Maybe Eclipso's back. Or Lena. Hello?
Function, avoid demerits. Solution, destroy hall monitor. Solution, destroy hall monitor. Destroy hall monitor.
I have to find my friends.
53!
Harley, stop. You've only been here less than a minute.
That long?
You were saying, Batgirl?
Somehow, the artificial intelligence in my app must have used the power from our phones to become sentient.
Can you stop it?
Not from here. And since you said this place is impervious to our powers, the only hope we have is in someone stopping it out there.
Then we're in trouble since everybody's already here.
Not everybody.
What in Thanagar am I gonna do? I need something to fight back with. I need... time to monitor some halls. In the hallway without a pass? That's one demerit. Using unauthorized weapons during school hours. Another demerit. Yeah!
Function, avoid merits.
Get out of my hallway!
She did it!
I'm so sorry for making that app. I totally took your job for granted, Hawk Girl. I'll never do anything like that again.
I just want you to be safe, Batgirl. I just want all my friends to be safe.
But I'm still going to detention, aren't I?
Rules are rules.